versus yesterday where we hit 60 degrees for the first time this year. The last 60-degree temperature was October 27th last year, and it was actually 64 degrees. So it's been a while since we've been this warm. That was recorded at the Missoula airport. Today it's going to be a different story. With that cold front coming through, we're not going to see those nice 50s we had over the weekend, or 60s if you will. Today it's more of some mid 40s for us. Some places may still see 50s, but overall today should be quite a bit cooler for a lot of us compared to what we had this weekend. Now this cold front is bringing in those gusty winds, right? It's also bringing in a little bit of some active weather for us precipitation wise. So this morning as you're headed out the door, it's likely you'll see maybe a little bit of some light precipitation, rain snow mix sort of for the valleys, but definitely we are seeing some mountain pass snow. The rest of the day is pretty cloudy though. Here's active showers for us right now. You can see, I mean, look out basically to Lolo as well as Marias Pass. That's sort of where we're seeing most of the showers. The Mission Valley, you should have just barely gotten a rain shower or two. But for the most part, you can see, right, this is sticking to the upper elevations. As it rolls through today, though, we might see a little bit more pop into the valleys sort of off and on today. Very, very light, though. You can see that front kind of swipes right in from Canada. But we've got more pulses of precipitation headed our way throughout this week. So today is not the only day that you might want to have that umbrella, at least just for the next few hours this morning. Now with the gusty winds though, there is a wind advisory. It does expire at 9 a.m. but I think the reason this was issued just because of those mountain passes, we could see 2 to 4 inches of snow, and then you add on those gusty winds, making it kind of hard to see as you're driving. We don't have any winter weather advisories yet this week, or really anything besides that wind advisory yet from the National Weather Service. But we do know this week there is the potential for continued moisture, all right? So it looks like Friday might be the only day where we get a little bit of a break from the moisture. We've got chances, or at least the ability to see it about today through Thursday, and then this weekend we could see a little bit of a resurgence. So kind of more of a spring week ahead for us, if you will, at least with some active weather. Not too many impacts for the valleys. This morning though, it's very gusty in our valleys. We could see some light precipitation, and it's a little bit cooler out there. Mountains could see some snow, and again, those strong winds.